This is the Bolt Fingerprint Lock by Ultralock, designed to work with Apple HomeKit. It's easy to forget something. But with Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint, you can leave your worries behind.
Hey Siri, lock the front door.
And when life gets busy, the Ultralock Fingerprint Bolt is there for you, allowing you to control your lock from anywhere with the UTech app. Got your hands full? Auto unlock without a fuss by linking your phone with the Bluetooth proximity feature. Customize access for family, friends, and trusted guests with our UTech mobile app. And with the Auto Lock feature, you can feel comfortable knowing your home is always secure. Stay connected and in control with our mobile app. Get notifications and more, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Bolt Fingerprint works well with all popular smart home platforms. Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint is easy to install. The anti-peek feature allows you to keep your door codes safe by hiding them in a string of numbers. Finger, app, code, or backup key. Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint gives you choices. Keep what's important safe with Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint. This is the Bolt Fingerprint Lock by Ultralock, designed to work with Apple HomeKit. It's easy to forget something. But with Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint, you can leave your worries